Hi there. My name's Suzi Skinner, and I'd love you to just take a moment with me and imagine how different our world could be if it was filled with organizations full of positivity. Positivity, love, laughter, joy, and leaders everywhere. That's a work that I do with my team around the world, and I know so many of us do similar work. So, in preparation for the Association for Coaching session on the 16th of July, I'd love to share with you and engage in a dialogue about the multiple roles that we play as coaches, as facilitators, as trainers, when we're external, as suppliers, as thought partners. Those multiple roles are so important in enabling our clients, whether they're internal clients or external, to really move towards more positivity and cultures where people can thrive. So I'm hoping to share with you a case study that my team and I have been working on for the last couple of years around enabling positive change, and then also engage in a really interactive dialogue with you on how we manage those multiple roles and how we really strengthen our position and our ability to help and enable those around us as well as our clients. I look forward to seeing you there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.